Today's video features the beautiful plants at my aunt's home. I visited her house especially because of my love for plants, and spending time there made me feel truly happy and refreshed. From the moment I entered, I could feel how thoughtfully and creatively she has arranged everything. Even though the space is quite small, it has been managed in an excellent way. Every corner is used wisely, and plants are placed so beautifully that the entire area looks fresh, green, and full of life. As you can see in the video, the use of plants has completely transformed the look of the space and given it a very pleasant and calming vibe. Talking about the plants, I saw many lovely varieties during my visit. There were 2 types of snake plants, a healthy rubber plant, Rhoeo plant, Indian dancing plant, also known as Dracaena, purple heart, and the beautiful king of the day flower, Portulaca. I also noticed 2 to 3 different varieties of crotons, each adding its own colours and charm to the garden. Along with these, there were many flowering and ornamental plants whose names I don't remember, but they added a lot of beauty to the overall setup. There were also 2 to 3 climbing vines growing nicely, making the space look even more natural and lively. One special thing that caught my attention was a mango plant, which my aunt has grown herself from seeds. The bitter gourd vine was also very impressive and showed how well vegetables can be grown even in limited space. This visit was not only enjoyable but also very inspiring for me. I learned that even a small area can be turned into a beautiful green space with a little effort, creativity, and love for plants. I got many useful ideas for small space gardening, plant arrangement, and home decoration. I hope this video inspires you as well and encourages you to create your own green corner at home, no matter how small the space is.